Nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. There are two systems of naming. First, common system. Second one, IUPAC system. First, let us discuss the common system of naming. Aldehydes. First, aldehydes. Their names are derived from the corresponding carboxylic acids by replacing ic acid by aldehyde. Take some examples. First one, HCHO. It's called as formaldehyde. Second one, CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. Next, C6H5CHO, benzaldehyde. Okay, these are the name of these compounds. Next, if substituents are present in the compounds, how can we indicate those compounds? Take one example, CH3, CHBr, CH2, CHO. So this will be alpha carbon, beta carbon, gamma carbon. So the name of the compound will be beta bromo butyraldehyde. Okay. This will be the name of this compound. Next, ketones. Ketones, second one, common system of naming in case of ketones. Names are obtained by adding alkyl groups to ketones. Okay, and these alkyl groups, they follow alphabetical order. Let us take one example. CH3CO, CH3, C2H5. CH3CO, C2H5. This is called as ethyl methyl ketone. Okay. So first we have to write the alkyl groups in according to the alphabetical order, then ketone. This will be the name of this compound. Next, if substituents are present, how can we indicate the compound? So two alkyl groups on two sides of the carbonyl group. So they are indicated as alpha alpha dash, beta beta dash, then gamma gamma dash, etc. Like this we can denote, indicate those substituents. Okay. And in the case of some ketones are having their historical names, we are always following those names. Okay. For example, in the case of CH3CHO, this is CH3COCH3. This is dimethyl ketone. Okay. This can be called as acetone. Okay. Now, next case, if one alkyl groups or aryl groups are present in the two sides of the carbonyl group, C double bond O, CH3. This portion is called as aceto group. This is aceto group. Okay. This is phenyl group. So we can write it as acetophenone. Okay. Now, next compound. Next compound, C double bond O, CH2CH3. This case. So, this is called as propiophenone. Okay. Prefix used is propiophenone. Okay. So, the acyl group is added as the prefix to the phenone. Okay. Next, compound like this, C double bond O, this compound. This is benzophenone. Okay, benzophenone. Like this, we have to name the ketones. Okay. Next, IUPAC naming of aldehydes and ketones. IUPAC naming. How can we name first aldehydes? How can we name aldehydes? Aldehydes are named as alkanal. Here, E in the alkane is replaced by al, Al. Okay, so E is replaced by al. Next point. Longest chain containing the CHO is the parent chain. So parent chain will be the chain containing CHO group, aldehyde group. Okay, that will be the longest chain. Next point. Aldehyde carbon is assigned as number 1 to the aldehyde carbon. Okay. Next case. So if substituents are present, we will follow alphabetical order. Okay. Next, when CHO group is attached to a ring, CHO group is attached to a ring. How can we write the compound? Suffix, we are using carbaldehyde. First we have to write the name of the cyclohexane. Then we have to use a suffix carbaldehyde. Okay. While naming the compounds we can easily understand. Okay. So next, numbering must be done from the carbon attached to the CHO group. Okay. Numbering must be done from the carbon attached to the from that carbon we have to start the numbering. Okay. Now let us do some examples. First example, cyclo compound we can take. Cyclo. So we know the common name of this compound is benzaldehyde. Okay. What will be the IUPAC name? IUPAC name will be benzene carbaldehyde. Okay. But normally we are using this name, benzaldehyde. Okay. Next compound, CHO-OH, second position OH group is attached. This is called as 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay. Next compound, if cycloalkane is there and CHO group is attached. The compound name is cycloalkane and CHO group is attached. So the compound will be cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. Then we have to write carbaldehyde. Okay, this will be the name of this compound. Now let us take some other examples. CH3, CHO, CH3, CH. How can we write the IUPAC name of this compound? This is formaldehyde. So IUPAC name will be ethanol. Ethanol will be the IUPAC. This is a common name. Okay. And IUPAC name will be ethanol. Okay. Next compound, CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, CH. How can we name this compound? This is the parent alkane is pentane. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to number from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be pent. Then second position double bond 2 enol. This will be the name of the compound. Okay. Now let us take some other examples. Next compound, CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH2 CHO. Okay, this contains a C double bond. A carbonyl group is also present for this compound. So we have to start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third position there is a this is oxo group. Okay, 3 oxo. Then pentanol. Okay, this will be pentanol. Okay, CHO group pentanol. Next compound, CHO groups are attached to each carbon atom. How can we write this compound? Okay, this compound will be, this is propane. Okay, propane, 3 positions, all the 3 positions, 1, 2, 3, tricarbaldehyde. Okay, tricarbaldehyde. This will be the name of this compound. So this much about the IUPAC naming of aldehydes. Next, IUPAC naming of ketones. Ketones are written as alkanone. Here, in this case, alkane, E is replaced by ONE. Okay. So, next point, longest chain contains the carbonyl group. Okay. Longest chain contains the carbonyl group or keto group. Next, second point, carbonyl group is assigned as the least number. Carbonyl group assigned as least number. Okay. Next, if substituents are present, they are prefixed according to the alphabetical order. Now, let us take some examples. CH3, COCH3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, this will be propanone. Okay. 3 carbon atoms. Next, second one. CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. So, we have to number from, while numbering, carbonyl group gets the least number. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the compound will be 2-butanone. Okay. Next, in the case of cyclic ketones, what will happen? Cyclic ketones. In cyclic ketone, carbonyl group, so carbonyl carbon is numbered 1. Okay. Take one example. Carbonyl carbon. Here we have to start. It is given the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the compound will be, here one CH3 group is it, 3-methyl pentanone. Okay. Let's take another example. Phenyl group is attached. C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Similarly, carbonyl group contains the least number. So, 1, 2, 3. So, this is phenyl group. So, 1 phenyl. Okay. 1 phenyl propanone. Propane 1 on. Okay. First position ONE group. Okay. So, propane 1. This much about the IUPAC naming of ketones.